when you want to draw the hands, you want to draw them real big because if you notice, we're going to be using the flicking technique. So if you make little tiny fingers, you're going to have a little difficult time. So we don't want to create problems for ourselves, so draw your hands big. Okay, the next thing is you're going to need newspaper, a brush, a little lid, and obviously your drawing. And so we're going to pour. You don't need much, just a little bit, just a couple of drips. If you close this thing, make sure it's like pointed away from you, or get a paper towel and cover it, because sometimes that darn lid will splatter on you. Now, before you start using the flicking technique, you want to load your brush, obviously, but you want to draw first here. So do some flicks here, just to kind of dry out the brush a little bit, and that's going to be giving you kind of, see how we got the dry brush. Now we're ready, so we can flick. Let's do this thumb here. So think about, imagine like your fingers are wrapped in with string or something, right? Since this part is close, my flick's going to be very long, but here. Now, notice how they're kind of far apart, so we want to go and do another set at a slight angle to the first. We can do that, or we can just go in between. This part, I might go back and do a stroke going this way. And then you can, if you want to change the direction of the stroke or outline the fingernails, that's going to be up to you. So the direction of stroke is up to you. I'm just going to do this. See how I left like a little reflected light there. Now I'm loading again, so I need to flick that out. Once it dries, you might notice it's not as dark as it can be, so you can actually put a second layer where you want real dark. But always be using that flicking technique. If it looks a little messy, don't worry about it, because you're going to flick from the top also. It's a little not dry enough. Here, try to imagine the roundness. Try to get that roundness of the stroke when you're doing your flicking. That's it.